12 students. So today I'm going to teach you another word problem. So let's read it first. Sumit had to travel 15 kilometers. He traveled 6 kilometers by train, 4 kilometers by bus, and rest by car. What distance he traveled by car? So what we need to do at first, we need to read the question properly. Okay? We need to read the question again and again to understand what the question setters or what your teachers are demanding from you. So, see that first line. Sumit had to travel 15 kilometers. মানে সুমিতকে 15 কিলোমিটার যেতে হবে। সুমিতকে কি করতে হবে? 15 কিলোমিটার ওকে ট্রাভেল করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, 15 কিলোমিটার সুমিতকে ট্রাভেল করতে হবে। He traveled 6 kilometers by train. এই যে 15 কিলোমিটার, from this 15 kilometer he traveled 6 kilometers by train. So suppose this one is 6 kilometers, 6 kilometers by train, 4 kilometers by bus, again another 4 kilometers by bus, 6 kilometers by train and 4 kilometers by bus. Still he needs to go. Rest by car. Still a particular distance he needs to cover. এখনো কিছুটা দূর যাওয়া বাকি রয়েছে। এইজন্য এখানে কি বলেছে? And rest by car. বাকিটা গাড়িতে যাবে। তার মানে এই যে জায়গাটা আছে এটা কিসে যাবে? এটা যাবে হচ্ছে কারে। এই যে বাকি জায়গাটা আছে এটা যাবে হচ্ছে কারে। তাহলে এই জায়গাটা কতটুকু কিভাবে বের করব? তো ধরো এটা 15 কিলোমিটার, এই টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা 15 কিলোমিটার। দ্য টোটাল ডিসটেন্স ইজ 15 কিলোমিটার। এবার 15 কিলোমিটার থেকে আগে কত গেছে? 6 কিলোমিটার। তাহলে 6 কিলোমিটার মাইনাস করি। 5 minus 6 হবে না, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 আমরা ডাইরেক্ট করে নিতে পারি 9 কিলোমিটার। তার মানে এইখান থেকে এই জায়গার যে ডিসটেন্সটা আছে এটা হচ্ছে কি 9 কিলোমিটার। এবার এই 9 কিলোমিটার থেকে আরো 4 কিলোমিটার গেছে, তাহলে 9 minus 4 equals to 5। তার মানে 9 minus 4 আরো তাকে যেতে হবে কতটুকু? 5 কিলোমিটার। ঠিক আছে, but this one is a little bit lengthy process. You need to do the subtraction again and again. So what will we do? We will add these two distance. আমাদের কি করতে হবে? এই দুটো ডিসটেন্সকে আমরা এক করে ফেলবো। এক করলে কি হয়ে যাবে? সিক্স কিলোমিটার প্লাস 4 কিলোমিটার, তার মানে হয়ে যাচ্ছে কি 10 কিলোমিটার। ঠিক আছে, এবার যেতে হবে তাকে 15 কিলোমিটার আর গেছে কতটুকু? 10 কিলোমিটার। তাহলে কি হবে? 15 minus 10 কিলোমিটার equals to 5 kilometers. Okay, but again the same thing is that we are in class 3, so we will not be provided by these short numbers, these 2-digit numbers. We need to go for 4-digit number. But you know this one is maths, so the rule will be same. The rule will be same, only the number will change. So what we need to do, we need to follow the rule, not the number. We need to identify the rule, not the number. Okay, I am rubbing these numbers: 15 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 6 kilometer. Instead of 15 I am writing 5,735 kilometers. He traveled, suppose 2,323 kilometers by train and 1,825 kilometers by bus and rest by car. What distance he traveled by car? What distance he traveled by car? Again, from here to here, the distance will be 5,735 kilometer. We need to write the unit properly. Okay. He traveled 2023 kilometers. Suppose this one 2323 kilometers traveled by what? Traveled by train. Okay, and 1800 kilometer 1825 kilometer by bus, and rest traveled by car. This portion is traveled by car. So what distance he traveled by car? That means we need to find out this. We need to find out this distance which was traveled by car by Mr. Sumit. Okay. So what we need to do? We will add this two distance. So what will happen if we add this two distance? We will get up to this much. Okay, 5,735 kilometer, and if we add this to one, we will get how much distance Mr. Sumit has covered, and after that the rest part we can find out from the total. See, in my first class in subtraction, I have told you that in case of subtraction, a total number will be always be given. Okay, the total number will be given always, and the next thing is we need to subtract from the total number the smaller number. The smaller number we will subtract from the total number. So if we add these two numbers, these two distance, আমরা যদি এই দুটো ডিসটেন্স কে যোগ করি, যোগ করলেও কি হবে? এই যে টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা, এই টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা থেকে এটা কম হবে। এবার এই টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা থেকে এই ডিসটেন্সটাকে বাদ দিয়ে দিলেই তো এখানে কি হবে? কতটুকু কাটে গেছে সেটা এমনিতেই বোঝা যাবে। Understood? What we need to do, we need to add this one, and this one is our total number. From total we need to subtract the smaller number to get our result. Okay, so we can't do like this. Yes, but if this type of question comes in your exam, if it comes, then what we need to do for better understanding, we need to draw a figure like this for better understanding. Not necessarily you need to draw the pictures properly with sketch pens or with nothing to do, because no one will see your sketch or no one will see your drawing. Okay, just for understanding you need to do this. So I'm not wasting time anymore, and I'm going to start my class. So I'm starting to write the statement. I'm starting write the statement what Sumit had to travel. Okay. Sumit had to travel 5,735 kilometer. The first line I am keeping as it has been given in our question. From next line we will start. Okay, he traveled 2,323 kilometer by train. So this particular kilometer we measured with this unit. With this unit we measured the distance, we measured the length. Okay, and kilometer is for measuring the distance from my home to school, from your home to school. We can't measure it in a scale, in 30 centimeter scale. If we start counting, it will take much time. It will take maybe 1 month also. It will take more than 1 month also. তুমি যদি তোমার বাড়ি থেকে স্কুলের ডিসটেন্স মাপতে যাও এক মাসের থেকে বেশি সময় চলে যাবে। এই বছর দুর্গাপূজা গিয়ে পরের বছর দুর্গাপূজা এসে পড়বে তুমি যদি স্কেল দিয়ে মাপতে চাও। That's why we are, in case of these large distances, in case of large length, we need to go through, we need to go for kilometer, not meter, and not centimeter scales. Okay, so this one is we are using for distance, so we will write distance. Distance covered by Sumit means distance which is covered by Sumit. Distance যে ডিসটেন্সটা সুমিত কভার করেছে, distance covered by Sumit by train. ওকে, মানে সুমিত যে ডিসটেন্সটা কভার করেছে ট্রেনে করে বা ট্রেন দিয়ে, এটা হচ্ছে কি 2323 kilometer. Okay, and again the same thing, distance covered by Sumit by bus. I want to do it in a line, but due to the shortage of space I need to write like this. Distance covered by Sumit by bus 1825 kilometer. Therefore total distance covered till now, that means till now মানে হচ্ছে এখনো পর্যন্ত যে টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা কভার করেছে, টোটাল ডিসটেন্সটা কত হবে 5 plus 3 equals to 8, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 8 plus 3 equals to 11, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4148 kilometer. We need to write the unit in case of distance, in case of money, in case of capacity, that those chapters are coming in our next month means coming months. Okay, so we need to write this one 4148 and the kilometer, because it is the unit of distance. Okay, again shortage of space, so we will move to next space. Okay, total distance covered till now 4148. এখনো পর্যন্ত 4148 কিলোমিটার কভার হয়ে গেছে। সুমিত had to travel 5735. এবার ওর যেতে হবে কতটুকু? ওর যেতে হবে হচ্ছে 5735 কিলোমিটার, আর ওইটা থেকে সে অলরেডি 4148 কিলোমিটার যে পার করে এগিয়ে গেছে। আমি এখানে আছি, এটার থেকে অলরেডি আমি 1 কিলোমিটার সামনে চলে গেছি, আমাকে যেতে হবে 3 কিলোমিটার। তাহলে 3 থেকে 1 বাদ, we will subtract 1 from 3, another 2 kilometer we need to go. So the same case will continue here. Now therefore distance covered by Sumit by car is equals to 5735 minus 4148 kilometer. We need to write this, otherwise number will be deducted. So what I have done, see here two types of vehicles used. First one is train and second one is car. Okay, and with these two communication vehicles, we had covered, means Sumit has covered 4148 kilometer, and he need to cover this. From this he has covered this distance. So the distance which is left has been covered by car. So left কথাটা যেখানে আছে, where the left word is there, that means it will be subtraction. So I am doing the calculation here. 15, it will become 2, 12, it will become 6, and it will remain same. 15 minus 8, so 15 minus 8 is hopefully 7, right? 8, 12 minus 4 is 8, and 6 minus 1 is 7, and 5 minus 4 is 1, right? No, 7 minus 1 is 6. If you can identify my mistakes, that means you are present in class, you are concentrating in my video, otherwise you are not concentrating. So 1687 kilometers will be the answer. Now what we need to do, we need to pause the video and you will start writing from here. This one is step 1 and this one is step 2, and after that I am going to write the answer. So start. Now I am rubbing. Answer. Sumit, let me check, is it in, okay, did Sumit had covered 1687 kilometer by car, and get the maths end. Okay, so note down this one, and this one is my last video for completion of our periodic assessment 1. Jai Gurudev.